So we have legends and the champs.
Nishant, can you come and take the playing eight from both captains? अश्विन कुकरेजा, जहां पर भी हो इन पे तुरंत आ जाइए। आपका टीम का आपका बहुत ही इंतजार कर रही है। अश्विन कुकरेजा।
टीम कैप्टन अपने प्लेइंग एट निशांत को प्लीज दे दीजिए।
Ajay, how do you feel? Your team has come into semi-final 2, top of the world. And what was the motivational talk that you gave to your team?
Just enjoy yourselves.
Fantastic. That should be the spirit of the game. Prashant, आपकी टीम आ चुकी है semi-final 2, second attempt to try and get the trophy.
We will get the trophy. We won't try, we will get the trophy.
Fantastic. That should be the spirit. A positive spirit is what Legends is entering into.
Can we have the photographer on the ground, please, on the playing ground?
टॉस के लिए फोटोग्राफर ग्राउंड पे चाहिए।
फोटोग्राफर प्लीज ग्राउंड पे आइए टॉस के लिए। आ रहे हैं, ही इज ऑन हिज वे।
So can I have the two captains here, please? Karthik and Sahil, you have decided you're playing it. Pradeep, are you ready with your coin, magical coin? One second. Who's going to call? Sahil from Champs is going to make the call. Pradeep is going to toss. Ball is the call. Bat it is. So the Legends win the toss and they elect to bat first. So Karthik, I'll come to you in a minute.
The strategy is the same. Let's hope for the best.
But this time you're bowling first.
No, we bowled first in the last match also.
So you want to have the same strategy. Copy paste please, CAPM from whatever Sahil said the previous time. So he seems to be very confident about them winning. Karthik, ये तो बहुत confident लग रहे हैं, उनका prediction पिछली बार ठीक भी हो गया था। आप क्या कह रहे हो?
I think we hope to get the better of them. We've batted first most times. We've been reasonably successful so far.
थोड़ा माइक पास में पकड़ लीजिए कार्तिक।
So hopefully this time, yeah, victory is on our side.
Can we hear a loud cheer for the Champs? Can we hear a louder voice for Legends? Nishant, before we depart, can you please announce the playing eight from the Champs and Legends?
So for the Champs, Arav, Ajay Patel, Shweta Anand, Rekha Prakash, Ashwini Kukreja, Sahil Khanna, Vishesh Sehajwala and Ryan Sharma. These will be playing eight. A big round of cheers for the playing eight for Champs. For the Legends, the playing eight for the Legend is Samay Jain, Bharat Shetty, Shruti Majumdar, Sapna Jain, Sunny Jain, Karthik Ramurthy, Pushkar and Hridan Shankla. Again, can we hear a good round of applause, big round of applause for Legends? And best of luck to both the teams. May the best team win. Have a great match, guys. And girls.
कार्तिक और साहिल बिल्कुल वैसे ही खेलना जैसे मैंने आपको सिखाया है। श्वेता डांस कर रही थी या वार्म अप कर रही थी, पता नहीं, कुछ तो कर रही थी।
ये बुखार है किसका, सब सवार है सबके, कहां पे सब खेले, मैदान जुनून का। ये बुखार है किसका, सब सवार है सबके, कहां पे सब खेले,
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मैच।
हेलो 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 हेलो
विशेष कोई विशेष टिप्पणी देना चाहेंगे आप चैम्प्स को? कुछ नहीं, अभी मेडिटेशन, शांति. रायन, ऑल सेट?
So just an announcement before the start of the match. Nishant is the match referee. He will be supporting the commissioners. Just to be clear, if there is something that the match referee observes on the field, he will have the right to interfere along with the commissioner. So it doesn't matter whether the umpires have picked it up or the players have picked it up. If there is something which either the match referee or the commissioner pick it up, they will have the right to intervene. Because these are all crucial matches and we want to play it fair.
And all rules are the same, right? All right, how many supporters for champs? Make a noise. Legends के supporters make a noise. अरे Legends का थोड़ा पलड़ा भारी लग रहा है. Champs, I'm going to give you another chance. Make some noise.
चैम्प्स की टीम पर ज्यादा मुस्तैद लग रही है करण. They seem to be exercising more, getting the energy up.
और लाल जूते भी नहीं है. लाल जूते भी नहीं है. हाँ, I would love. Thank you. Thank you. You played really well. Sorry.
अरे
Bowlers challenge है.
अश्विन कुकरेजा बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं. The man who's getting younger by the day.
No.
A good one run. Ashwin Kukreja is getting more right swipes than his sons. He's losing every. चलेगा यार. Yes. Belgian wheat beer. नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. अरे मजाक करो.
और पुष्कर ने इस बॉल को पुश कर दिया. ओवरथ्रो का थ्रेट लग रहा था, लेकिन पुष्कर हैज टेकन अ राइट कॉल.
ये चैंप्स ने सही डिसीजन लिया टू गिव द फर्स्ट ओवर टू अश्विनी. अश्विनी कुकरेजा AK. ओह, इनकी गेंदें AK-47 जैसे ही जाती हैं. The other advantage, Karan, which the team has when Ashwini is bowling is that he's not fielding.
And he's also not the commissioner for this match. Oh, that's close. He's asked for a review.
That will be the first fielding achievement of Ashwini if it happens. We are all really praying for it at the commentators box.
अभी पीछे चर्चा चल रही थी कि अश्विन है कि अश्विनी है. हमें पता है ऑफिशियली तो अश्विनी है.
I think as long as there's a win in it, it's fine.
करीबी लोगों के लिए अश्विनी है, बाकी सब के लिए अश्विन.
सब वेट कर रहे हैं. चैंप्स वेट कर रहे हैं. ओ, करीबी अश्विन बुलाते हैं. आप क्या बुलाते हो? भावना भी यहाँ पर है. भावना, आप क्या बुलाते हो अश्विन को?
ऑलवेज अश्विन. भाई है, कसाई है तो.
लवली बॉल.
विशेष बहुत ही पेनी गेंदबाजी करते हुए.
Nicely placed, quick single.
पुष्कर पोपट यूजुअली तो बहुत धड़ल्ले से बल्लेबाजी करते हैं, पर थोड़े से प्रेशर में नजर आ रहे हैं आज करण.
थके हुए हैं. ओवरथ्रो पे एक रन ले लिया. बहुत ही अच्छी रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स. गुड कॉल बाय पुष्कर. Another quick run. रिदांश भी बहुत अच्छा खेलते हैं. दे मारा और ये हाउ टू DXB 4. ऐसे 4 लगते रहेंगे तो सीधा रहेजा से जुमेरा ही जाना पड़ेगा.
Oh, again a very good swing of the bat. Umapati Pushkar not missing a chance to express himself freely when getting an opportunity to do it outside home.
स्कोर है 13 for no loss in the end of 2 overs. सपना आई है स्ट्राइक पर. रेखा बॉल करेंगी उनको.
This Karan is going to be a good duel because Rekha Prakash is an awesome bowler and Sapna Jain is a very good batsperson.
ये दे मारा. सही बोला आपने संदीप. एक और रन. Oh, he's safely in.
Oh my God.
Call.
The legends are really taking it to the champs. They are testing them very hard on the field. Excellent calling by Samay.
A loud call. And she's been dismissed by the umpires.
फाइनल्स में चाहिए, अगर इसमें भी और फाइनल्स में भी सेम जोश रहेगा तो फिर चलेगा. कम जोश. दुनिया में थोड़ा ज्यादा और फाइनल और ज्यादा. आप तभी बजाओ जब राम नाचेंगे.
रेखा टू भरत.
Oh,
और भरत ने मारा.
one down the.
क्विक सिंगल और समय स्ट्राइक पर हैं. जैसे कि आपको पता है समय किसी के लिए रुकता नहीं है. एक रन तो ले ही लेता है.
आप देखिए जिस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ समय बैटिंग कर रहे हैं.
समय से सब डरते हैं संदीप. समय रुकता नहीं है. ओ, अच्छी बॉल रेखा की. इसी के साथ ओवर हुआ. 17 for 1 wicket. The end of 3 overs.
Not a bad score that the champs have, that the legends have gotten to manage on the scoreboard. Oh, no man's land में भरत शेट्टी ने बहुत सनी जैन ने भरत शेट्टी ने अच्छा शॉट मारा.
That was a half chance.
Lovely save by Vishesh. Oh, that's close. That's glad he's given out.
Unfortunately,
बहुत टाइट फील्डिंग रखी हुई है चैंप्स ने.
बहुत ही मुस्तैद और चुस्त विशेष.
लेकिन जैसे कि मैंने बोला समय किसी के लिए रुकता नहीं है. अब देखना रन लेके ही छोड़ेगा।
ये सिली मैदान की जो फील्डिंग पोजीशन है सबसे ज्यादा क्रूशियल है, बहुत रन रोके जाते हैं वहां पर और काफी रन आउट्स।
One D declared by the umpire. Shweta Anand would be very happy with her performance. उन्होंने अभी तक सिर्फ 4 रन दिए हैं इस ओवर में, 1 विकेट मिल गया है।
लीगल डिलीवरी,
बॉल्स ना,
क्या हो गया?
2 बॉल बाकी, 1 बॉल बाकी।
बैटर्स
So 20 runs at the end of 4 overs. This is a batting challenge over in which the target is 5 runs.
umpires, the target is 5 runs. Yes. थोड़ा अग्रेसिव ले सकते थे। आई थिंक अभी दोनों अच्छी टीम्स हैं, रन अच्छा बना रहे हैं, बट आई एम श्योर कुछ सोचा है इन्होंने।
Completely agree.
मैंने देखा है कि most teams are taking either 4 or 5 as a batting challenge for some reason, perhaps to
नाइट राइडर्स ने कुछ टाइम पहले 12 का लिया था, पर उनको जरूरत थी।
they had no choice at that time. क्या करें?
विशेष स्टैंडिंग लाइक अ वॉल, एक बॉल पार नहीं जा रही उनसे।
The more important thing, Karan, is the way Ajay has managed to get through 4 balls in this over very, very quickly and just giving 2 runs.
Oh, you almost got him there.
लवली बॉल बाय अजय।
बहुत ही टाइट बॉलिंग हो रही है।
और आपने जस्ट कहा था कि भाई 5 is a relatively low challenge that they've taken, but they need
1
3
ball.
runs of the last ball. बहुत ही सयाने बॉलर हैं अजय।
Oh, that's a beautiful stroke. It was a no
That's a
ball.
no ball. Ajay, that's a no ball, और
And
it's a good save for
is it also a 6?
Ridansh.
It's a no ball, and is it also a 6?
आहा, ये एकदम आधी जान बाहर आधी जान अंदर,
बॉल
इसका डिसीजन अंपायर लेंगे। इज इट अ 6 और इज इट आउट? और सॉरी, ओवर द टॉप।
नहीं, but
umpires are consulting. Let's give them their time. The umpire's decision is going to be final.
एक रिव्यू है दोनों साइड्स के लिए, 1 रिव्यू ईच।
हमारे कमिश्नर्स एंड द रेफरी फॉर द मैच निशांत फील्ड पे हैं।
देखना ये है कि is it a 6 or 0? The umpires have a decision. That's a 6.
6 दिया है एंड इसके साथ बैटिंग चैलेंज पूरा होता है इनका।
बहुत ही बढ़िया स्ट्रोक था।
वेरी वेल डन रिदांश। अजय ने बहुत ही टाइट बॉलिंग रखी थी, लेकिन रिदांश ने एंड मौके पे उसको 6 करके अपना बैटिंग चैलेंज पूरा कर दिया।
ये मानना पड़ेगा, लास्ट गेंद तक जो एकदम ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल टास्क लग रहा था, रिदांश ने जबरदस्त शॉट मार के चैंप्स के मंसूबों पर पानी फेर दिया।
30-2 at the end of 5 overs.
That really
The Legends
pops up the Legends and brings momentum back to them.
Yes, they've brought themselves back into the game with that 6. That over really worked well for them.
कुछ भी हो सकता है इसमें, मतलब 30 रन्स रिमेनिंग फ्रॉम 12 बॉल्स, उन लोगों ने भी मैच जीता है। अभी आपने 6 देखा। आई थिंक कुछ भी हो सकता है.
बिल्कुल, it's wide open.
Nicely judged. It's a white ball.
राइको की बॉल लेग स्टंप से बहुत तेजी से स्पिन करके अंदर आती है. पुष्कर जजिंग दैट रियली वेल.
राइको जो कि चैंप्स के एक स्टार प्लेयर हैं, he is showing why that is true.
Oh, that was well tried by Ajay, but just couldn't stop the ball. Went for a single run. Oh. No signal by the umpire. So that was a legal delivery, a dot ball.
And that's a
That's
wide.
पुष्कर ने काफी समझदारी दिखाई वहां पर. He came down the pitch so that Raiko bowls short.
एंड श्वेता ने पुष्कर को डिसमिस कर दिया. श्वेता, आपका प्री मैच डांस काम आया. श्वेता, एक बार वो वाला डांस हो जाए जो आप पहले कर रहे थे प्री मैच. ये बात.
That's a big prize. Prized catch that has been taken, but that brings the explosive Karthik.
पुष्कर को she's pushed out.
पुष्कर श्वेता को खुश करके चले गए. Score at the end of 6 overs is 35 runs. I think there'll be fireworks now. 35 is not a score which the legends would have wanted.
As I've said before, 60 is par in this tournament. But we have some very competent players at the crease, so expect some fireworks. That's a very, very well run over there.
नितिन, एंड में फायरवर्क्स में एक दिक्कत जो आती है कि 7th and 8th overs are typically taken by the best bowlers of the fielding side.
Which is true, but they also have the best batsmen out there still, so I would think we're even Stevens.
Very tight fielding, पर एक रन ले ही लिया कार्तिक ने और रिदांश ने. 38 for 3. और हाउ टू DXB 6.
बहुत ही बेहतरीन छक्का.
बुर्ज अल अरब से भी ऊंचा छक्का मारा.
जैसा कि मैंने कहा संदीप, बहुत ही बेहतरीन बैट्समैन है क्रीज पर दोनों. एंड और ये एक और शॉट, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश साहिल की. Almost converted it into a catch and a wicket.
Nicely fielded by Sahil.
यही सेमीफाइनल का प्रेशर है नितिन, नहीं तो नॉर्मली ऐसे कैच साहिल छोड़ते नहीं है.
देखिए कार्तिक का शॉट बहुत तेजी से आता है. And
Lovely running. थोड़ा रिस्क लिया, but I think ये रिस्क लेना बनता था. That is 1D.
अच्छा ओवर रहा ये लेजेंड्स के लिए. 12 रन मिले इसमें. एट द एंड ऑफ 7 overs the score is 47. I think the legends would hope for at least a repeat of the last over in this one.
60.
एक आध बाउंड्रीज तो
60 तो आराम से क्रॉस करेंगे लेजेंड्स.
60 is what they will be targeting.
इनका स्कोर सीनियर सिटीजन हो के ही रहेगा. और ये अश्विन के हाथ से छूटती हुई बहुत मुश्किल कैच था. डोंट बी टू हार्ड ऑन योरसेल्फ अश्विन.
Ashwin is never too hard on himself. or on others.
वो काम सिर्फ भावना का है.
That was a no ball declared by the umpire.
और ये बहुत ही unlucky.
He's asked for a review.
The umpire has asked for a review to check whether Sahil had the ball
Shahid.
in his hand while the bails were being taken off.
If this is a wicket, then it is very much the misfortune of the legends. It was a deflection of the nets, landed right in Sahil's hands. It remains to be seen whether he knocked the bails out before they were with the ball in his hand or not. बहुत दिलचस्प 7th-8th ओवर चल रहा है. 49 for 3.
इससे रोमांचक सेमीफाइनल क्या हो सकता है? 2 रिव्यूज ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं इसके अंदर और अभी तो आधी इनिंग्स से ज्यादा बची है.
और एक 6 और आउट वाला भी रिव्यू हो रहा था.
It's 49 for 3. 49 for 3.
So the umpire's decision is not out.
Not out.
Not out.
भावना बहुत दुखी. What a beautiful
What
stroke
shot.
and what brilliant fielding on the boundary. क्या कमिटमेंट दिखाई है यहाँ पर राइको और विशेष ने. One back, the other one up, and saved at least 3 runs.
That's a no ball given by the umpire.
लास्ट 3 गेंदे हैं नितिन और रिदांश ने हमें 2 sixes ऑलरेडी दिए हैं इस इनिंग्स में.
एक छक्का पक्का लगेगा और ये इस दफे
ये बॉल पार्क के बाहर and that's out.
इस दफे रिदांश थोड़ा अनलकी रहे, थोड़ा सा चूक गए अपने aim
And
में.
the way the ball was going, I think it was only by a few inches.
Yes, I could actually hear it perhaps hitting right at the top of the canopy.
लेकिन जैसे पहले बोला था छूकर अगर बाहर चली जाए तो वो आउट ही मानी जाती है.
Out here.
It's
So,
not about touching the net.
but that's not a problem. We're in the final over and only
सनी जैन आए हैं
2 more balls to
नए
go.
बैटर. अच्छा तेजी से बल्ला घुमाया उन्होंने 1 रन के लिए. दिस ब्रिंग्स कार्तिक टू द क्रीज.
Let's
The
hope Karthik
last
can finish
final
with
ball.
it. Let's see if he can finish with a flourish. And Raiko.
Ryan really
Raiko takes a low catch coolly.
बहुत ही महंगा विकेट है ये लेजेंड्स के लिए.
And the Legends have been restricted to just 53 runs of the 8 overs, which means that the champs have a target of 54.
बट इतने रन्स भी बनाना इस प्रेशर सिचुएशन में उतना आसान नहीं होगा बिकॉज लेजेंड्स की बॉलिंग लाइनअप भी काफी स्ट्रांग है एंड फील्डिंग तो बिकॉज ऑफ अभिजीत एंड कार्तिक you know they are always extremely pumped up and pushing each other and the entire team. So you have an interesting match on the cards now.
देखिए आसान तो जिंदगी में कुछ भी नहीं होता और इसी वजह से we have the champs who are going to go for a win because this is a knockout match. It's an eliminator. The winning team will go on to play the final against the Visors. Clearly, there's only so many chances one gets. A very, very interesting contest in the making, Karan.
यस रायन आए हैं स्ट्राइक पर और अभिजीत का मैसेज सिंपल है, अभी जीत कल सेलिब्रेट।
आज करे, कल करे सो आज, कल आज करे सो अब,
तो अभी
अभी।
This is a bowling challenge over. Karthik to Raiko. One D, इसीलिए Raiko comes back on strike.
चैम्स के बैट्समैन विशेष सहजवाला और रायन शर्मा, बहुत ही अकम्प्लिश्ड बैट्समैन दोनों।
ओ बहुत अच्छी बॉल कार्तिक की,
विशेष को पूरी तरह से बीट कर दिया।
पर ये चैम्प्स की मनोस्थिति
वो
बताता
अपना
है।
एक पहला एक रिव्यू मांग रहे हैं कार्तिक, फील्डिंग टीम की तरफ से उनका रिव्यू का जो किटी है वो यूज करना चाहते हैं।
That's a brave review.
यस
The very first over of the game.
एंड ही इज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट बिकॉज इन्होंने बोलर्स चैलेंज भी है, बिकॉज अगर वो आउट होते तो -3 भी जाता है।
ये बात भी सही है आपकी। It's probably a calculated gamble.
But what was quite interesting for me was that Vishesh exposed his entire wicket to go for that shot, which kind of highlights the intent and the mindset with which the champs have decided to play in this game from the word go.
करेक्ट, बॉडी लैंग्वेज दोनों की बहुत स्ट्रांग है, आई थिंक दोनों बहुत क्लियर हैं और स्कोर इतना बड़ा नहीं है कि नहीं हो सकता। आई थिंक बहुत ही कुछ भी हो सकता है अभी।
Who knows, Karan, this could be a pressure tactic as well.
आई डोंट नो, बोलर्स चैलेंज है तो मे बी विशेष के मन में भी यही चल रहा होगा कि 4 विल बिकम 6, 6 विल बिकम 9, तो आई थिंक दोनों एंड से
This is the most worried look that we've seen in RPL season 8 so far. All 10 players on the field.
साइडलाइन से दोस्त कार्तिक उनको चेयर कर रहे हैं।
अमित शर्मा, दीप राजपाल।
इट्स आउट।
कार्तिक, इट्स आउट। It has been declared out. What a
बहुत ही अच्छा रिव्यू कॉल था। -3 हो जाता है चैंप्स का एंड विशेष इज डिसमिस्ड।
More importantly, Vishesh goes back.
विशेष goes back, yes.
The pressure is now entirely on champs.
The review will be retained. So Karthik, very good call.
देखिए कार्तिक ने बॉलिंग एंड से रिव्यू लिया है फॉर अ स्टंपिंग। इनका खुद का DRS सिस्टम, एंड दैट ब्रिंग्स साहिल टू द क्रीज।
This is turning out to be Ridanshu's match.
Oh, well tried.
For the benefit of our spectators, the review would be retained since
That's a no ball. Nicely fielded.
That was a no ball.
Another no ball given by the umpire.
Champs clearly that was a beautiful technique demonstration by Raiko.
ये बहुत ही बढ़िया ओवर रहा लेजेंड्स के लिए। 1 ओवर 5 रन 1 विकेट। What more they could have asked for?
बाज की नजर और कार्तिक की बॉलिंग पे संदेह नहीं करते.
No balls.
Required run rate has 7 and over.
49 needed in 42 balls.
Some fielding changes being made by Captain Karthik because he knows that Raiko is a hard hitter. ललचाती हुई गेंद देते हुए पुष्कर चाह रहे हैं कि बैट्समैन रिस्क लें.
और रिस्क लिया.
ये थोड़ा रिस्की शॉट इसी के साथ.
और साहिल का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट विकेट.
पुष्कर ने इंटाइज किया साहिल को और उन्होंने
ऑलराइट लेजेंड्स, चीयर फॉर लेजेंड्स. और चैम्प्स को भी चीयरिंग की जरूरत है. ऑल सपोर्टर्स ऑफ चैम्प्स, चीयर फॉर देम.
गो चैम्प्स, गो लेजेंड्स.
I think while legends have the momentum, champs still have a lot to go for them. We have two very young players on the field now.
देखिए अब अश्विन आए हैं. He's just skewed the age downwards.
The way Ashwin is gaining,
Rather
losing years, he would be playing kids RPL in the next season or two.
As soon as he turns 55, he will be nominated to play the kids RPL. Junior RPL.
Pushkar to Ryan. बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट फील्डिंग है. वेरी श्योर. He's taken him. Dismissed. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट विकेट था. Ridansh is on fire today. Captain Karthik is a proud captain.
One must say that was catching practice for Ridansh. A very, very simple catch right down his throat. And he had no trouble picking it up. Causing some damage here. The champs in a spot of bother now. 11 for the loss of 3 wickets. 2 overs gone. And into the third over, Shweta Anand takes strike with Arav at the non-striker end.
And Sapna Jain will do the bowling. Yes, agreed, Nitin. Quite an uphill task for the champs here, but
Well, it's early days. Early days still, but yeah, they might be in a bit of a bother right now. The next 2 overs are going to be quite critical for them.
बॉलिंग बाय सपना. बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग कर रही है इस सीजन पे सपना.
बहुत ही बढ़िया bowling. She's not let anything loose.
प्लेस करने की कोशिश. That's good running.
Sapna to Arav.
आरव की बैकलिफ्ट ये जाहिर कर रही है कि वो काफी अग्रेसिव मूड में आए हैं. Ready to.
So wide, very well judged.
Well,
Sunny Jain doing good hard work at this end of the boundary.
सनी सन में भी अच्छा खेले और अभी छाया में भी बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे हैं.
ये तो बहुत ही पका होता।
Sappy is sapping the opponents of runs.
Over.
It has been called an over, and that was a really good over by Sapna.
15 for 3.
थोड़ी
End of 3
मुश्किलें.
overs.
देखिए 39 in 30 balls is a very gettable score.
It is. और ये बैट्समैन भी स्ट्रांग है. बहुत लाउड अपील.
लेकिन
The umpire has now called for the help of the third umpire. So it's not really the fielding side which has taken a review.
अंपायर निष्पक्ष है. उनका रिव्यू निष्पक्ष है.
जिस तरह की इस कमेंटेटर बॉक्स में भी सारे निष्पक्ष कमेंटेटर्स और प्लेयर्स की वाइस बैठी हैं.
हाँ. तो क्या हुआ, भावना यहाँ बैठी है तो.
भावना ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी।
ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी के लोग बिल्कुल निष्पक्ष हैं, ये हम आपको बता दें. भावना की भावना आप तक पहुंच ही गई होगी.
And the umpire has given out.
That was a good call.
That's really sad for the champs.
So this is the real danger, Sandeep, for the champs. If they keep losing wickets at regular clip in this manner, it's going to get increasingly difficult for them to make the runs.
Yeah, they're already 4 down. And the score.
Score at the end of 3.1 overs is 15. 5 more balls to go in this over.
Nice take it.
और एक और विकेट. ये याद रहे कि श्रुति ने 2 प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच जीते हैं आज. Maybe she's on the way for a third.
I have a different view, Nitin, because I think clearly the man of the match for me is Ridansh.
Ridansh has already.
You know, he's taken
He's everywhere today.
2
huh?
catches, 1 stump, 2 sixes.
But I think श्रुति से भी कोई विकेट नहीं छूटी.
The legends don't want to take any chances whatsoever. They will make every single field adjustment that is required till they get it perfectly right.
श्रुति ने अपोजिंग टीम की काफी क्षति करी है. क्षति क्षति
ये कैसे वर्ड्स बोल रहे हैं. क्षति क्या होता है?
क्षति का मतलब है नुकसान, हानि. ड्राइंग करने के
Nice shot for a single run by Shweta. It's over. At the end of 4 overs, the score is 17.
Karan, I think we need to rebrand Shruti as the silent killer.
मैं तो, और उसका टैगलाइन तो मैंने पहले ही बना लिया है. श्रुति से एक भी विकेट नहीं छूटी.
क्या बात है. The silent killer जिससे
और उसका सरनेम भी देखिए, मजेदार.
और अभी बैटर्स चैलेंज ओवर है. कुछ कंफ्यूजन है. 5 wickets down.
So 5 wickets down, 17 runs. This is a compulsory batting challenge over. So
3 चैम्प्स अपना टारगेट बताइए.
The champs require 37 runs in 24 balls.
मुश्किलात बढ़ती हुई
5
चैंप्स
का
के लिए.
टारगेट.
For the
But-
batting challenge, 5 का target.
पर ड्राइको जब तक क्रीज पर है तो उम्मीदें हैं.
बहुत ही काम प्लेयर हैं. मतलब नथिंग डिस्टर्ब्स हिम. मतलब ही इज सो श्योर ऑफ हिज गेम. आई जस्ट लव हिज टेम्परामेंट ऑन फील्ड.
काम, कौन से वाले काम की बात कर रहे हैं आप? काम से काम रखने वाले काम की या काम रहने वाले काम की?
थोड़े ज्यादा एक्साइट हो गए.
ये
आई थिंक
बस ये इसी काम से डर था हमें.
चैम्प्स के लिए बहुत ही महंगी विकेट है.
the innings kind of fizzling out. A very awesome play by champs so far in RPL season 5. Season 8, sorry.
भावना काफी फ्रस्ट्रेट होकर यहां से चली गई हैं.
हम उनकी भावनाओं को नहीं समझ पाए. लवली बॉलिंग बाय समय.
किसी ने
क्या बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं समय. विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, एक के बाद एक.
समय का पहिया बहुत ही जोरों से चलता हुआ
आउट दे दिया.
and the last wicket is also run out. Legends reach the finals.
That was a I must say we expected more of a contest, Sandeep. काफी meek सा.
Yeah, I would say I think champs played far better in the rest of the tournament.
Let's hear it for legends.
What a brilliant show, legends.
ओ जी ढोल छोल हो जाए. Legends, थोड़ा come on legends, थोड़ा सा तो. कार्तिक अपनी टीम को एंजॉय करने दे रहे हैं. जो आप लोगों को नागिन डांस सिखाया था, थोड़ा नागिन डांस भी हो जाए अभिजीत.
रैम्बो को जैसा ही मौका मिला उन्होंने अपना नागिन डांस अनलीश कर दिया. और ये रैम्बो डांसिंग फॉर द लेजेंड्स. वर्ल्ड हैज़ कि निशान भी अभी अपना डांस अनलीश करेंगे.
I'm here to announce the player of the match.
प्लेयर्स की खुशी में खुशी बांटना चाहिए.
So Ridansh,
No,
and
sir.
the player of the match is Ridansh.
अभिजीत आप अभी जीत गए हैं, आगे भी जीतना है, थोड़ी सी एनर्जी बचा के रखिए। कार्तिक देख रहे हैं तुम लोगों का नाचना वाचना हो गया हो तो क्या कुछ गेम खेल लें?
बुखार है किसका सब सवार है सबके कहाँ पे सब खेले जुनून का ये बुखार है किसका सब सवार है सबके कहाँ पे सब खेले ये मैदान जुनून का
So Ridansh, you got your team into the finals. How do you feel?
Like it was a team effort, it wasn't just me. Everyone played their part.
And how are you doing this time and time again? Doing it quite well. Are you confident that you'll repeat your performance in the finals?
Yeah, hopefully we like come together as a team and win the finals.
Fantastic. Can I have the champ Sahil Jay Patel? आ जाइए आप. So congratulations Ajay, aim so close yet so far. What is the message for your team for the next year?
Enjoy yourselves like you enjoyed yourselves this year too.
They play the white.
And what do you have to say about the performance of your team?
We played very well. Unfortunately, the Legends were far superior, and I wish them the best of luck for the finals.
Legends have created the legend.
Shweta, time for some comments from you, Shweta. You had a great tournament. What do you feel now?
Had a lot of fun, and it's always exciting and amazing to play. I must say that Champs was a great team to be a part of. They supported every move, every wrong move also. So thank you so much, team, for being the best team and making my RPL such a memorable one. Thank you.
Very rightly said. Very rightly said. There's so many players. I can see some sad faces, but guys, keep the spirit on. Sood uncle, any word of advice for the team?
I think all teams are doing well, and there is no doubt Champs have done extremely well. But every day we cannot perform same way. There is some day good, some day bad. And certainly I have learned a lot in every game, because I am not myself a good batter, but I am only bowler. So I got to myself learn a lot about the batting, and certainly I will do it. Thank you.
Rako, you played really well. I could see a lot of crowd support, excellent fielding. You were hitting the ball as if you were in full control. It's a little disappointing, but it's just a match. Somebody has to come winner, somebody loses the match. Any comment by the time we get ready? Any comment from you?
It just wasn't our day today.
Okay, what wasn't the day, but you played really well. Wish you all the very best. Vishesh, you want to say something?
Before Vishesh says, Vishesh, till yesterday I was watching the leaderboard and you were leading it. I don't know what's the status now, but how did you feel playing this RPL 8? You have been a consistent performer.
Well, we don't play for ourselves, we play for the team, and I'm glad I've been able to contribute as much as I could. Sorry, the game didn't come out the way we wanted, but next year we're up and out.
So, any last words?
No, we are happy that we reached till here, and we are elated right now.
Ashwin, how does it feel to now become only a commissioner, since you no longer get a chance to play unless people allow you to play in the juniors?
No, so I would like to say something else. You may not want to hear that. But so normally, because I am in the organizing mode, I don't focus too much on the game or the play. But this is the first RPL where I have actually, and it is because of the team, not just the owner, because of the entire team, that I am more inclined and I was more enthused about the game also. Otherwise, I was always worried about ye nahi ho raha, wo nahi ho raha, organizing the thing. But this time, thanks to the team, I have such a wonderful team, and I would like to be a part of the same team again.
Ashwin, बाहर तो और कुछ कह रहे थे आप?
Okay, let's
Legends.
have the junior teams come out. Let's have the Rockets and the Rising Stars. come onto the field for the juniors final.
The junior teams, the Rising Stars and the Rockets. We are going to see the fourth finals for tonight. धमाकेदार फाइनल होने वाला है. उभरते हुए सितारे और बहुत ही तेजी से ऊपर जाते हुए रॉकेट्स. Captains of both the teams, can you come here for the toss?
Can I have the Suryoday team here? So Rockets, are you going to again rocket the scores?
Hopefully so.
And Stars, are you going to reach for the Stars?
Absolutely.
Okay. Stay on the line. Can I request Navdeep from Suryoday Bank to share some thoughts? As all of you know, he has been supporting us for the last 5 years. Navdeep, who's come this has again been a strong support. He's given a lot of ideas, and we hope that the association continues. Navdeep.
Thank you, Ram. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And सबसे पहले तो kudos and balle balle to all the players across all the teams for showing wonderful team spirit in the last 2 days. मेरा नाम नवदीप है दोस्तों, and I'm representing Suryoday Small Finance Bank today. I'm here to make a humble submission and a quick message to residents of Raheja. Clearly, you guys are among the top 1% population in the country, the affluent segment, and we really look forward to serve you as our customer. As the affluent segment, you have a lot of choices available when it comes to banking and investment, and we truly feel that we can be one of the great choice that you can have. We are a new age bank, fully governed by Reserve Bank of India, have developed world-class financial products. One of that product is Double Joy Deposit, wherein you invest with us and get assured double returns on your deposits that you do with us. Our team is around. I request you to please visit our kiosk, and we'll be happy to serve all your questions. You all know that Mr. Bhaskar and Shilpa ji are residents of Raheja, and Suryoday is sponsoring this RPL for last 5 years consecutively. And we really look forward to onboard all of you as our valuable customers. So I'll not take much of your time. I pause here, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for having us, and have a wonderful evening ahead. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, Navdeep. Thank you, Trishi, for being a support. Okay, can we have the captains, and can I have request Pradeep? Bat is the call, and bat it is. So Rockets win the toss and elect to?
We choose to field first.
And why would you choose to field first?
We think if we can limit the opposition to a reachable target, we can win the match. So
Fantastic. Though, come, let's go to the pitch. Pitch देख को क्या लग रहा है कि क्या स्कोर बनाएगी आपकी टीम? Check.
any target above the score of 55 should be good enough to defend against. We have a really good bowling lineup, and we have shown that in the previous matches as well. So yeah.
Ridan, 55 seems to be the target. What's your thought?
I think we can limit them to below 55, hopefully. Otherwise, we can chase it. We have a good, strong batting lineup.
Okay, can you have the customary shake of hands between the captains and may the best team win? Some photographs. So, are we all set for Suryodaya RPL Junior A tournament? Can we hear some cheers? Okay, we are just moments away from what potentially be a rocking Suryodaya RPL Season 8 Junior Tournament, and may the best team win. Tournament finals. And as I announced before the previous knockout match, Nishant Agarwal continues to be the match referee for this. We have plenty of commissioners now this time.
Okay, we're ready to start the match.
So the primary commissioner for this match will be Ashwin Kukreja. Secondary, na?
Bowling challenge on the first over.
Guransh.
Guru ho jao shuru.
Bowling to Dhruv Popat. Well played. And a misfield. But that's a dead ball.
That was a practice ball called dead. और फाइनल्स अब शुरू हो रही है.
Anaika
बहुत ही सही थी. Anaika Popat was trying to get her brother out, Dhruv Popat.
Good save there.
Superb try, saved quite a few runs for her team. Anaika is seeming to be a live wire on the ground right now.
2D.
Fearless Anaika striking fear in the hearts of the opposition.
Good placement there.
जो कंफ्यूजन निशांत को हम सबको भी है कि कितने अनायका हैं फील्ड पे. जहां भी देखो अनायका दिख रही है हमें.
अनायका ने सॉकर की तरह मिडफील्ड का पूरा भार अपने ऊपर संभाल रखा है. Left as well as right.
2 runs there. Completion of the over. This is a 7 overs final match.
Remember, this is a bowling challenge over, so any wicket would result in negative scores.
Second over by Samay. Good fielding there by Samay.
Oh, that's a little bit of a misfield.
4 runs.
I think that's a 4. A bit unfortunate there. It's a tricky boundary. The ball tends to deflect off in various angles. Beat 2 fielders on its way to the boundary.
Quick 1 run there. Good placement of the ball.
Tight bowling.
1 run.
But equally enterprising batting happening. And that's a brilliant shot. That was a no ball and a 6. Beautifully hit by Sarthak. Ridhan tried his best to get to the ball, but it was way above his level.
No ball. Free hit.
Oh. A little bit ambitious over there. Dhruv sends the ball out of the ground. Lost opportunity to score some runs off the free hit. And the score is 23 for no loss.
23 runs for no loss. 1 ball to go. Last ball for Samay.
ये फुल टॉस था अनायका ने बहुत अच्छी फील्डिंग का प्रदर्शन किया एट द बाउंड्री.
End of the over.
अनायका
24 runs for the loss of no wickets.
Fearless Anaika is more than okay. In fact, she's not okay for the opposition. थोड़ा सा लिंक कर रही हैं अनायका. अनायका, do you need any? No, you okay? All right. Let the game resume.
$24 for the loss of no wickets. क्या नाम है?
Should be batting challenge. What is the umpire? What is the batting challenge?
5 runs.
5 runs. Okay. So batting challenge over. 5 runs. 1 on the board. थोड़ी सी मिसफील्ड. बैट्समैन में थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन, लेकिन सेफली बैक इनटू द क्रीज.
Good fielding there.
That's another one on the board in the batting challenge over.
27 runs. Wide ball.
So that's 4 on the board. 1 more to get to complete the batting challenge. And that's a no ball. So the batting challenge